Success coaching and hypnotherapy. Are you seeking the clarity to reach your full potential? Do you want to learn how to change your thought process? Success coaching is a process. It helps individuals both to define and achieve realistic goals faster and with greater ease than would otherwise be possible. The success coaching process is achieve your personal best. You want to hire a coach to help you tap into your existing knowledge, skills, and expertise as well as their ability to help reach beyond your personal limitations. The result of success coaching can be greater personal wealth and mental focus. Success coaching is about enhancing a person's ability to increase their personal well-being by taking into account their available resources, including time. A hypnotherapist as a success coach can help you release your full potential to succeed. Hypnotherapy can help anyone develop the attitude needed to achieve their goals. Hypnosis can enable you to reach beyond your personal limitations and do things you didn't think possible. Success coaching will help you create a strong desire to achieve your goals and give you the confidence to know that you can succeed. Hypnotherapy can help you find these things within yourself and gain success.